When momentum stops, clarity starts. I remember the morning it all crashed. Orders slowed. Views dropped. Everything felt heavy. I wondered if I'd wasted years chasing a dream that didn't want me back. Then I wrote 3 words. The comeback begins. Burnout doesn't just drain your energy, it steals your identity. You stop creating, stop believing, stop showing up. But burnout isn't a sign to quit. It's a signal to realign. That's when I built a 30-day plan to restart my business and my mindset. Week 1 wasn't about profit, it was about power. I cleaned my workspace, my schedule, and my thoughts. Every morning I asked, what actually moves the needle today? I stopped reacting and started rebuilding. By day 7, clarity felt louder than chaos. I realized I was creating content for algorithms, not for people. Week 2 was about remembering why I started. I revisited messages from customers who said my work helped them. That was my fuel. Purpose isn't found in metrics, it's found in meaning. Systems save dreams. I set small, non-negotiable goals. 1 video, 1 email, 1 connection per day. Progress wasn't instant, but it was inevitable. Every system I built replaced stress with structure. By week 4, momentum returned, not because I worked harder, but because I worked honest. I was aligned again. My business was small, but it was alive, and that was enough to reignite everything. If you're in your burnout season, this is your reminder. The comeback is not a moment, it's a mindset. You don't need a new plan, you need to believe again. When momentum stops, clarity starts. Your 30-day comeback begins today.